Dreaming of working in Ireland? This video is your essential guide. We will break down the exact steps you need to take to legally work in Ireland, even if you are not from the European Union or the European Economic Area. This comprehensive guide is designed to provide clarity and actionable information for your journey. This video is specifically for non-EEA and non-EU citizens. We will cover the intricate work permit and visa process, detailing the requirements and the precise steps involved. Our aim is to demystify the path to employment in Ireland for international applicants. Ireland has emerged as a highly attractive destination for professionals worldwide. Its robust economy, particularly in sectors like technology, pharmaceuticals, and finance, offers numerous opportunities. The country's vibrant culture and high quality of life further enhance its appeal. For non-EEA and non-EU citizens, understanding the specific immigration pathways is crucial. Ireland's immigration system is designed to attract skilled talent to fill critical shortages. This guide will help you navigate that system effectively. Navigating the various work permit types is the first critical step. Ireland offers several categories, each tailored to different skill sets and employment scenarios. Understanding which permit applies to your situation is fundamental. The Critical Skills Employment Permit is designed for highly skilled individuals. It targets professions experiencing a shortage in Ireland, such as those in IT, engineering, and healthcare. This permit offers a streamlined path to residency and family reunification. Eligibility for this permit requires a specific occupation from the Critical Skills Occupations list. Applicants must also meet minimum salary thresholds, which are regularly updated. This permit is highly sought after due to its benefits. Successful applicants for the Critical Skills Employment Permit are typically granted a 2-year permit initially. After this period, they may apply for Stamp 4 permission, which allows them to work without a permit. This pathway often leads to long-term residency. The General Employment Permit covers a broader range of occupations not listed under critical skills. It is for roles where a skills shortage exists but is not deemed critical. Sectors like hospitality and construction often utilize this permit. To qualify, the job offer must meet specific salary requirements and pass a labor market needs test. This test ensures that no suitable candidate from the EEA or EU is available for the role. It is a crucial step in the application process. The General Employment Permit is typically issued for an initial period of 2 years. After this, it can be renewed for up to 3 more years. After 5 years on this permit, individuals may also apply for long-term residency. The Intra-Company Transfer Permit is for employees transferring within multinational companies to an Irish branch. This permit facilitates the temporary relocation of senior management, key personnel, or trainees. It is not intended for permanent immigration. Eligibility requires the employee to have been working for the company outside Ireland for a specified period. The transfer must be for a specific project or role within the Irish entity. This permit is crucial for global businesses. This permit is typically granted for a maximum period of 5 years. It allows for seamless movement of talent within international organizations. Understanding its specific limitations is important for both employees and employers. While critical skills and general employment permits are the most common, other specialized permits exist. These include the Dependent/Partner/Spouse Employment Permit, which allows eligible family members to work. There are also specific permits for researchers and interns. The Reactivation Employment Permit assists individuals who previously held an employment permit but lost their job. It helps them re-enter the workforce under specific conditions. Always research the full range of options available. The Sport and Cultural Employment Permit caters to specific roles in these sectors. Each permit type has unique criteria and application processes. Thorough research into all available options is highly recommended. The application process. Securing a work permit in Ireland involves a structured, multi-stage process. Understanding each step is vital for a successful application. This guide simplifies the journey from job offer to arrival in Ireland. Step 1. The foundational step is obtaining a genuine job offer from an Irish-based employer. This offer must be for a specific role that meets the criteria for one of the employment permit types. Without a valid job offer, you cannot proceed. The employer must be registered with the company's registration office in Ireland. They must also be tax compliant and ensure the job offer details the salary, job title, and responsibilities clearly. Your qualifications and experience must align with the requirements of the role. This is crucial for the Department of Enterprise, Trade, and Employment to approve the permit. Prepare your CV and cover letter meticulously. Step 2. Crucially, it is the Irish employer who applies for the employment permit on your behalf. You, as the prospective employee, cannot initiate this application yourself. This highlights the employer's central role in the process. The employer submits the application to the Department of Enterprise, Trade, and Employment. They will provide details about the company, the job, and your qualifications. This application is typically done online through the Employment Permits online system. The employer must gather all necessary supporting documentation. This includes proof of their business registration, tax compliance, and details of the job offer. Accuracy and completeness are paramount at this stage. Step 3. Once the department reviews the application, they will issue a decision. If approved, the employment permit will be issued to the employer. This permit is a legal document allowing you to work in Ireland. The processing times for permits can vary significantly. They depend on the permit type, the volume of applications, and the completeness of the submission. Always check the official department website for current processing times. Upon approval, the employer will send you a copy of the permit. This document is essential for your subsequent visa application, if required. Keep it safe and accessible for all future steps. Step 4. For many non-EEA and non-EU citizens, an entry visa is required to enter Ireland. This visa application is separate from the work permit application. You apply for the visa after your employment permit has been approved. Check the Irish Immigration Service website to determine if your nationality requires an entry visa. If it does, you will apply for a long-stay D employment visa. This application is made to the Irish Embassy or Consulate in your country of residence. The visa application requires numerous documents, including your approved employment permit, passport, and proof of funds. Be prepared for an interview and provide all requested information accurately. Step 5. Once your visa is approved, you can travel to Ireland. Upon arrival, you must register with the Irish Immigration Service, INES, within 90 days. This registration is crucial for legal residency. You will attend an appointment at your local Garda National Immigration Bureau, GNIB, office here. You will provide your biometric information and receive your Irish Residence Permit, IRP card. The IRP card is your proof of legal residency in Ireland. The IRP card will state your immigration stamp, typically Stamp 1, which permits you to work. Ensure you understand the conditions of your stamp. This card is vital for all aspects of living and working in Ireland. Beyond the step-by-step process, several critical factors can influence your success. Being aware of these considerations will help you prepare thoroughly and avoid common pitfalls. Proactive planning is key. A fundamental aspect of working in Ireland as a non-EEA citizen is the mandatory requirement for employer sponsorship. You cannot self-sponsor for an employment permit here. Your prospective employer must initiate and support your application. This means your job search should focus on companies willing and able to navigate the permit application process. Many Irish employers are experienced in this, especially those in sectors with high international recruitment. Always confirm with potential employers their willingness to sponsor. This should be an early discussion point in your job application process. It saves time and effort for both parties. Your academic qualifications and professional experience must directly align with the requirements of the specific employment permit. For critical skills permits, this means having a degree or extensive experience in a listed occupation. For general employment permits, your skills must match the job description and demonstrate a need for your expertise. Ensure your CV and supporting documents clearly highlight your relevant qualifications. The Department of Enterprise, Trade, and Employment rigorously assesses these aspects. Any discrepancies or insufficient qualifications can lead to permit refusal. Invest time in preparing a strong application. Be prepared for potential delays in the processing of both employment permits and visas. Processing times are estimates and can fluctuate based on application volume, policy changes, and individual case complexities. It is advisable not to make irreversible travel plans until your permit and visa are fully approved. Patience is a virtue throughout this process. Regularly check official government websites for the most up-to-date processing information. Factor in these potential delays when planning your relocation. Communicate openly with your prospective employer about timelines. This helps manage expectations for both you and the company. Every individual's situation is unique, and while this guide covers the general process, specific circumstances may require additional research. For instance, if you have dependents, their visa and residency requirements will differ. If you have a complex immigration history or specific health conditions, these may impact your application. Always consult official government sources or seek professional immigration advice for personalized guidance. Do not rely solely on anecdotal information or outdated resources. Immigration laws and policies can change. Always cross-reference information with the official Irish government websites. Accessing accurate and up-to-date information is paramount for a successful application. The Irish government provides comprehensive resources online. Utilizing these official channels will ensure you have the correct guidance. The primary official resource is the website of the Department of Enterprise, Trade, and Employment for employment permits. This site provides detailed criteria, application forms, and processing updates. It is your go-to for permit-related queries. For visa and immigration matters, the Irish Immigration Service (INS) website is the authoritative source. Here you will find information on visa requirements, registration procedures, and residency permissions. Both sites are essential. Consider exploring reputable online forums and expatriate communities. These can offer practical insights and shared experiences, but always verify information against official sources. They can be helpful for networking and understanding daily life. Remember, the information provided here is for general guidance. Immigration laws are complex and subject to change. For personalized advice, consider consulting with an immigration solicitor or a registered immigration consultant in Ireland. Embarking on a journey to work in Ireland as a non-EEA citizen is a significant undertaking. It requires meticulous planning, patience, and a thorough understanding of the legal framework. By following the steps outlined and utilizing official resources, you can significantly enhance your chances of success. Ireland offers a welcoming environment and abundant professional opportunities for skilled individuals. With its vibrant economy and rich cultural heritage, it is a country that truly offers a unique experience. Your dream of working in Ireland is within reach with the right preparation. Check the links in the description below for official resources and helpful guides. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more valuable content on working and living abroad. Good luck with your application, and we wish you all the best on your journey to Ireland.